Okay.
Okay, so now let's compare that to, if I to,
Um. Okay. There.
okay, 1 second.
Yep.
Okay, so now, if this is what's on the site now, if you look at this area here on the list page of the blog post, there's a white box around the main image, but if you look over here, there isn't. The image just goes all the way to the edge.
Mm-hmm.
So do you see the difference there?
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so if you can make it look like this example here on the screen, so that's one. And then the other thing, if you notice here, in this area, we have,
Okay. Hold on. Frank, sorry. The one
yeah,
that's I'm going to follow is the number two, correct? The second
correct.
one.
If you look in the Asana task, let's go back to the Asana task. If you look in this task, the very first thing I posted up here, at the top of that Asana, whoops, I'm not sure what that is. It was this image here. This is the image that's in the Asana task. So if you follow this image here, this is what the list page should look like.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
And then if you go to the detail page,
Mm-hmm.
which is another task, so that's the task for the blog list page. If you go to the detail page, then the image is in my second comment here. So if we look at this one, you'll notice, Mark, that the image is the same width and in the exact same spot next to that box on the right, the black box on the right, as the detail page, or as the list page. So they're in the exact same spot.
Okay.
The only difference now on the detail page is we lose the white box. We don't have that white box that the text sits in.
Okay.
And one thing to pay attention to and notice is underneath the title we have the posted in and then category by the author. We don't have a date there.
Mm-hmm.
Just have the words posted in marketing by Frank Coel. You've got the summary, and then you've got the read more button. And then once you click the read more, you go to the page here, which has all the same placement at the top. It's just now the body of the article and the title and all that are no longer in a white box, and they have that little red bar above the title. So there's only a few minor adjustments on here.
Okay. Got it.
And then I didn't put the design below. The other thing you may want to try is on the detail page, leave it inside of a white box like that. That actually could be a nice separation on this detail page between the body copy and that right-hand column, if that makes sense.
Yep. Okay.
So you may want to try that, and that actually might make your implementation easier, Mark, because then you won't have, kind of a slightly different layout from the list page as you do the detail page. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah. But those are the main things I'm after between these two blog pages is this header up here, this main black area with this inside the elevator logo and that little tag below. And then the main image spanning that width there where it sits on top of the white box, making sure we have the posted in marketing by Frank Coel, whatever the category and the author name is. And then making sure on both of those pages, whether it's the list or the detail, that they're the same width. And then same with that sign up box on the right side, the learning guides and the categories. So essentially those two pages are almost identical. It's just on the detail page, it's the entire article.
Okay.
And then the only other thing on the detail page, Mark, to pay attention to is we then introduce the social icons, the social sharing at the top. And then we also have them at the bottom of the article.
Okay. LinkedIn. Okay. So
And then
every blog there should be those social share.
correct. So that way we can encourage people to like them and share them and whatnot. And those, I believe, are already implemented in the
Mm-hmm.
current
Okay.
blog template. And the only difference between what the images you're looking at is what we just talked about. If on the blog detail page you want to make it to where it's in the white box, just like on the list page, that actually probably would be better now that I think about it, because then we get the separation. Let's see if I can show you on this page here. We get the separation here between this area. So that might be a good reason on the detail page to leave it in a white background for the body of the article. Does that make
Okay.
sense?
Yep.
Cool. So those are the two things on the blog. Let's see if there's anything else. Do you have any questions before I move on?
Oh, no, for now.
Okay. So just look at those images I uploaded.
Yep.
And then the only other one is, so I uploaded this today. On the website in HubSpot, the Learn More button has it's like really crammed real tight next to the edge of the button.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, got it.
Okay, so I uploaded that today. And then other things. So that's elevator stuff. And then the other stuff I mentioned you on today was this ARIA stuff. So I added some more detail from the client about troubleshooting this problem. And one of the things he noted today that I thought was interesting is all the ones that they're having a problem with are when they come in and for some reason they're marked as, whoops, why is that so big? They're marked as subscriber. So all the ones that are marked as subscriber are the ones where they're not showing up in that list so that is just more information for you to look into to try to troubleshoot that problem.
Okay.
So I just uploaded that comment today, and I'd like to get this resolved for them here in the next couple of days.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Noted.
Okay. And then again, so those were the bulk of the things that I mentioned and uploaded today. Was the being able to log into our websites. I have no idea what's going on there. The update on ARIA. They have more info for us, which I just talked about. And then the blog and the website stuff on elevator side.
Okay.
Oh, and then also I asked about on ARIA their second issue, which was the PayPal error.
Oh, yeah, I'm fixing that. Although I left a comment, PayPal error. It really takes long to fix, especially payment methods. It's the hardest part for me.
Okay. Do you know what you're going to be doing there, or?
Yes,
or
I definitely know. It's just that it's time consuming.
okay, gotcha.
Yeah. My last question there is if you can ask the client if they remove the link.
See, they wouldn't have done that because they really don't have any like development access. They don't know what they're doing, so I don't think anybody from their side would have removed that.
Yeah, because I cannot find there the logout and add another member button or option in the production site. There's really, yeah, I reviewed it again
And it's not
earlier.
there, huh?
It's not there. So I just thought that somebody removed it or accidentally may have removed the option.
No, we need it to be there. Is that something you can find from a previous version and make sure it gets put back in?
Sure.
Or should I ask the developer who did that to know where because she not only added the link, she also included some code so that way when someone clicks that link, it would destroy all the cookies related to their session. So as long as you're aware of that, that's what that link is supposed to do.
Oh, okay. So yeah, maybe you can ask the previous developer where she put the link. But I'll find it. I mean, I'll find the solution while she's looking for the link.
All right, so let me. Okay, so I'll ask her,
Yep.
and then I'll let you know. But you've got those other things to work on with Aria, and then all of our stuff. So you can do that, and then just keep me updated.
Yep, I'll do. I'll do. So that's it for now. I'll have a meeting with next to Joe, with Joe. So
Yeah,
then,
he's going to be on vacation for 10 days, so you'll be getting tasks assigned in Asana. So it'll be really important to stay on top of any tasks or comments that come through Asana, because Kendra and maybe different members of the team will be assigning stuff to you. I'll be assigning stuff.
yep.
And then just Slack and whatnot, just be available, because especially while Joe's gone, a lot of us aren't as savvy as Joe.
Okay.
So we'll,
Okay.
if we we'll probably need an answer right away.
Sure thing. Because earlier I thought I'm gonna have a meeting with Joe, and I fell asleep on my desk. I really apologize, but moving forward, I'll make sure that to stay awake.
Okay, and I know you're still getting adjusted to the working on our time.
Yeah.
Just know we really need it, but know
I'll do
that
it.
we also really we understand and really appreciate
Yep.
that it's a little bit of a learning curve, but
Yep.
just know it's important to us, but we're also understanding, and
Yep.
we understand you're trying to
I'll
make
do
the
my
change.
best. I'll do my best.
Okay. All right, Mark, thank you, and
Thank you.
just let me know if you have any questions on those things, okay?
Sure thing. Yep. Thank you, Frank.
All right. Take care. Bye.
Bye.